Welcome to another fantastic video, guys. Today we're going to focus on Monetag. So the last time I made a video about Monetag, a lot of you guys were interested, and a lot of you guys started earning with this platform called Monetag. So today we're going to talk about another very important aspect of Monetag that you can actually use to make a lot of money. So today we're going to focus on direct links with Monetag. So if you have not signed up yet, it's very simple. All you just need to do is to go to the website monetag.com, or you click in the link I have in the description box below. It's going to bring you straight to the website, and then you go ahead to sign up. So you click on sign up, and then you follow through all the process that you need for you to sign up. You can sign up with your email address, or with your email, or with your Google account, and it's very simple. All you just need to do is to enter all the info and then use your ID as a means of verification to verify. And once you're done, you'll be brought straight to the dashboard. Now today, like I said, we're going to focus on direct links, and what that means is you can actually monetize your social traffic. So these direct links is actually going to help you monetize fast and monetize any type of traffic. Okay, this is our main focus today. So if you have a Facebook page, or you have a landing page, or a website, or you have an X account that has good followers, or you have Instagram account, as you can see, you can actually monetize them, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, so make sure, like I said, you've signed up, and once you've done signing up, then you verify your account before you can be able to go ahead to use all of these services. So before we go straight, let me tell you what direct link is. So direct link is a flexible solution to traffic monetization, as you can see on the screen here. So direct links, aka smart links or direct, are links that contain multiple offers. So that means when you put these links on your social traffic, or your landing page, people that clicks on it will be taken straight to offers that are most relevant to what they are searching for. So you understand? So that means you're going to be getting good conversions rate. You're going to get even more money for showing those links and those kind of ads to those. Imagine when you see an ad that you are interested in, and you click on it and you're interested. What happened? You're going to want to know exactly what it's talking about, and in that case, the publisher is going to earn even more money. That's exactly what this direct links is going to do for you. So as you can see, it says direct link can be used to monetize traffic regardless if a publisher actually owns a page or website. So you don't need to own a website to actually use direct links. For example, an ad developer can use direct links to monetize remnant traffic. The same goes for any organic traffic that comes from Facebook, WhatsApp, or any other source. So that means if you're on the Facebook page, WhatsApp, or any other place where there is traffic, you can actually make use of direct links. Now if you come to the website, if you come to your dashboard, that is after signing up, you're going to see that this is your dashboard, right? Now from your dashboard, you can actually see that with Monetag you can actually withdraw as little as $5, as you can see here. So, and if you link your PayPal account, you can actually withdraw as little as $5. So from this dashboard here, you can actually find all the things that you need for you to actually start making money. So as you can see here, we have this sites is going to show you your sites that you have connected. So if I go to site, you see that I have already 2 sites. We can talk about Telegram mini apps, but in our main focus is direct links, which I'm going to show you very soon. If you come to payment, you're going to see all the payments and everything. If you come to insights, you're going to see everything that's going to help you on how you can set up your account and get everything the way you want it. Come to this referral program, you're going to see your referrals, and you can also get the link to share to get even more referrals. Then if you come to priority program, this is actually going to help you get started, because if you're on a higher, more priority, you're going to get even more benefits, as you can see. So green level shows that within 14 days you can withdraw from $0 to $28. With this one, you can do 280 to 1,400. I mean, the more you advance, the more you make funds, money, you're going to be taken to much bigger priority. And this help center actually helps you contact the support as needed. So like I said, we're going to focus on direct links. Now right here on direct links, we can do a lot. So if you can actually create a link, and it's very simple. Okay, you don't need to do any magic. All you just need is, once you are here, you can actually click on this create new link, or you click on add direct link. So I'm going to use this section. If I click on this create new link, as you can see, we have 3 options we have this website, social traffic, and Telegram mini apps. Don't forget, this is what we're trying to get today, which is the direct link. So once you click on get link, it's going to go ahead and generate a link for you. Once it generates a link for you, then you can now use that link and add to your social traffic, either your Facebook, your WhatsApp, or your landing page, or even your website. Once you're able to direct users to that link and they click on it, that's all you need. You're going to start making sales. So if you click on get link, it's going to go ahead to generate your link. Now let's say it has generated your link, then you want to upload on Facebook. If you come over here to Facebook, you can write whatever thing you want to write, add as many posts as you want to add. Then you can also now even add the link. So once you're able to add the link, now it's going to take you, it's going to be done, and after that you can go ahead to publish this post. Now if you publish this post, people that view this post can be able to click on those links, and then they are going to be taken to an ad where the link is taking them to. That way you're going to start making funds, and that funds will be deposited onto your payment link. So if you that funds, once you start making funds, you're going to start seeing that you're going to start seeing some changes here. You're going to start seeing funds. Okay, so and if you come to this insight section, if you come to this statistics, I'm looking for statistics. Okay, if you come to this statistics section, you're going to monitor who clicks on it, how many clicks are you getting, what region. Now this direct links doesn't really actually work with all demography and everything, so you don't need to worry so much. So I have this article here, which I'm also going to link in the description box below, if you really want to understand what this direct links is all about. Like I just explained it totally, but if you want to read up, I'm going to link this link in the description box below. This is actually written from Monetag themselves, so this is how they just explained it very easily and directly. So I'm going to leave a link to this post in the description box below, so you can actually use this post to actually guide you on a lot of things. So this post is actually going to help you, get all the info that you need to get if you are really serious about it. So I'm going to leave a link of to this post in the description box below. So with this direct link, as you can see, direct links aren't suitable for everyone, but the right publishers can expect 30 to 60% of the revenues that they would with pop-up advertising. So this direct link, me personally, I've used it and in some of my websites, which I don't want to show yet because those websites are still website that I'm trying to grow. But with all you just need to know is that with these direct links, it's even more better than pop-up ads, because sometimes those pop-up ads are kind of annoying to some people, but with direct links they are going to click on it themselves. So if you add the direct link here, so when somebody reads and want to read, there will be a call to action button. If they click on that, it's going to take them to the link or the advertising page. And don't forget that this direct link actually work with knowing exactly what kind of ads that is suitable for that audience. So some ads are not suitable for everyone, so but direct links is smart enough to know that this one is suitable for you, and it's going to show you ads that are very relevant to what you're searching for or what you want. And that means there's going to be even much click-through rate, and then the placement is good. As you can see, I say placement and click-through rate. Where should I place my smart link? Choosing the right place for your smart link isn't an exercise. It depends on the nature of your platform and the volume of your traffic. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link to this post in the description box below. This post is actually contains all the necessary info that you need to know about direct link, and I want you to go ahead, sign up for Monetag, register, get your account approved, and start using the direct link in order for you to make more money for yourself. So guys, make sure you check out this platform, Monetag, and then go ahead, sign up, and start using smart link or direct link. It's going to be very helpful for you that are looking to make money. Okay, so make sure to go ahead, use it, and it's simple. Once you create your link, then you can place it anywhere you want to place it. And this dashboard is not sophisticated, it's straight to the point. If there's anything that you don't understand, tell me in the comment section, or if you want to reach out to support, go ahead, click on help center, and it's going to take you to their support channel. Then you can go ahead to contact Monetag. So guys, I'm sure this video was helpful, and if you need any info, I'll be in the comment section to guide you and then help you through everything. So go ahead, sign up, use Monetag, make money for yourself, and then use smart link or direct link to even help your content gain more funds. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.